Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IAmCleopatra O. So today I'm actually here to do a promo video. I have been chosen as a brand ambassador to GY Lashes collection, and I am just here to tell you everything about it. Before I start, I just want to also give a shout out to Fadaka for this awesome sweatshirt. Like, this hoodie is, oh my god, it's just the best. Like, it's such an amazing quality. It's very hot, especially if you are in a cold country as I am, like Sweden. So please, if you want a personalized hoodie, just get at Fadaka. I'm going to post his contacts, his IG below, and just contact him. He's amazing. The quality is just amazing, and I just want to say thank you so much to Fadaka for this awesome gift. I really appreciate it. But now let's get right into this video. So guys, as I said before, I have been chosen as a brand ambassador for GY Lashes collections, and their lashes are bomb, guys. I usually don't wear lashes because it's usually a struggle for me due to my my sight and everything, and then unfortunately I can't put on lashes while having my glasses, so I've not been that lashes person. But these lashes are just a bomb. Their packaging looks like this, and it's so pretty. It comes with this brush, this nice brush that you can just use to brush your lashes, and also brush the false lashes as well. And they usually come with the normal glue that we know, or you can also opt for this lifesaver. Like, this has literally been my lifesaver. This is a magnetic eyeliner, so that means that this is what you use to just attach your lashes. And as I said before, since I can't really see without my glasses, I'll just go on with the eyeliner and just put on the false lashes, and they'll just stick to it, and nothing will just happen to them. So these lashes are just the way to go, you guys. And I'll also show you briefly how you can put on your lashes with just a normal tweezer and the magnetic eyeliner. Or you can also go for, if you are already used to the normal glue, you can also decide to go for normal glue. But the most important thing here is that if you choose to use my discount code Cleo10, you would get 10% off on your order. So guys, I think it's time to treat yourself this 2021 and grab your lashes. And now guys, they have different type of lashes. I'm also going to post a close-up of the lashes I have on right now. And she's the CEO is a very nice person. Just speak to them and they'll give you the best lashes you want, and anything that will fit your face, your eyes, and everything. So guys, use my discount code Cleo10 to get 10% off on your order. I'm also going to place the IG below, so you can place your order from them. Or if you have any inquiries or anything you want to ask, you can ask them, or you can also contact me on my IG, and I'll be super happy to help you through your order. Guys, these lashes, if you know me, I don't wear lashes. So for me to be here to speak about lashes, then these lashes, they are the bomb. That's it for today. See you guys on my next video. Huge kisses. Bye.